Dear students, welcome to English learning class. You must have noticed that when we speak, there are times when our voice is raised and sometimes it is lowered. Then we pause, and our pauses are not of the same duration. Some pauses are short, and while some are long. Marks of punctuation in writing carry out the same function as pauses and stresses in speech. So, to make your speech and writing more authentic, we need to learn punctuation marks. So, let's start our topic punctuation marks. Some types of punctuation marks are listed below: quotation marks, capital letter, semicolon, question, full stop, colon, comma, exclamation mark. Punctuation marks are marks that are used to put pauses in writing to communicate the intended meaning clearly and better. They are helpful not in writing but in reading also. For example, first of all, I have taken the example of an assertive sentence, and the sentence is he has joined the session recently. So it's having a simple tone. So full stop is used here. Has he joined the group recently? This sentence is having a sense of a tone of a question. So question mark is used at the end of the sentence. He has joined the group recently. This sentence is having a tone of a surprise, so sign of exclamation has been used after the sentence. Now, the uses of capital letters. Whenever we are going to start a sentence, we start it with a capital letter. At the start of every sentence with a quotation marks or direct speech, for example, Mary said she listens to music daily. So she, S is capital here. For proper noun and proper adjective, we use capital letter. For example, Dr. Rajkumar, R capital, K capital, and even Dr. D is capital. New Delhi, New N capital, and Delhi D capital. Next is Chinese. Chinese C is capital here. For the pronoun and for the word gourd and pronoun used for gourd, we use capital letter. For example, first sentence, I have to submit my assignment. I always comes in capital letter even though it has been used in between the sentence. Only God knows his ways. God G capital and his H is capital. It is telling us that this his word is used for God, not for the ordinary person. For the name of the days and months, Saturday and August, S and A has been used in a capital form. For the names of historical buildings, we use capital letter. For example, Red Fort, R capital and F capital. For nationality and languages, India, I capital, Japanese J capital. For the names of books, films and plays, journals and newspapers, we use capital letter. Alice in Wonderland, A capital and W capital. The Times of India, T capital, I capital. For titles of essays and stories, The Most Memorable Day of My Life. So you can notice that how many words have been used in capital letter. So main word will be in capital letter. For important officers in high rank, for example, the Prime Minister, P capital and M capital, the Chief Minister, C capital and M capital. For special events and special days, the Independence Day, I and D capital. For the names of airports, station, trains and brand names, for example, Safdarjung Airport, Rajdhani Express and Hyundai. It is the name of the brand, and Rajdhani Express is the name of the train, and Safdarjung Airport is the name of the airport. So now you better understand that where we use capital letter. Now the use of full stop. A full stop marks the end of a statement, a command, a request, or an instruction. For example, help me to complete the assignment, please. Holi is the festival of colors. So these sentences are example of imperative sentence and assertive sentence. Nowadays, full stop is not used with abbreviations or initials. For example, Mrs., Mr. and Doctor. After these words, we are not using a dot or a full stop. Next is exclamatory marks. Exclamatory marks is used at the end of an exclamatory sentence. What a fabulous painting it is. So we are using an exclamatory mark after is. After an interjection, hooray, hello. After these words we use sign of exclamation. Next is question mark. Mark of interrogation or question is used at the end of an interrogative sentence. What is the right answer of this question? So here a question is asked, so we will use a question mark after the question word. Second is at the end of a tag questions. Question tag, you must know that what are the question tag. You didn't correct your mistake, did you? So here a confirmation is being taken, did you? This type of question tag is followed by a question mark. Apostrophe. The apostrophe is used to show possession or belonging. Megha's dress is yellow, while other girl's dress is green. Whenever we are taking a singular person, we will use apostrophe s as is shown here. But when we are taking plural words, then we will use apostrophe after s to show joint possession. Preet and Poonam's mother won the award. So here Preet and Poonam's, their joint possession we are showing here. So after the last word we will use apostrophe s. In contractions, it is or it's very dark outside. Don't is a contraction of do not. Spare the child alone. Thank you. Have a nice day.